Well, today I have been waiting on parts for a while, but the one thing that I do have that I can do is install this. This is my roller throttle tube. So I ordered I ordered my Weber dual 44s, and I have ordered well, I'm waiting for the heads to show up, so anyway, I'm just doing little stuff. This I'll just, basically what I need to do is, there's a little tiny hole here, and that hole just gets this little screw. That just holds it in place as the throttle. Sometimes it bends up a little bit to get to the linkage here. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a little hole, that is to say, I have it marked right there, but I'm gonna just hold this in place. And then what I did is I have a very small drill bit here, which I measured, you know, so I can see the threads against the back of that. And it's a pretty tight fit there. Alright, let's try this one more time. Said I'll have to remove this so that I don't bend the tube as I'm doing all the assembly, but I'm just trying to get as much stuff prepped while I'm waiting for parts as I can. Alright. Alright, so see how that looks. Basically, it's that little screw into the shroud. This roller keeps the throttle cable spinning nicely, and around the backside, you know, that's where it comes out. Normally, you know, you're gonna take this and you want to hold it, because when you push the little tube, Bowden tube, or whatever you call that thing, up onto here for the accelerator cable, it might, you know, a normal one would push the tube this way and it would kind of pull it out this way, but this is nice because it holds the screw. So, all right, that's that.